Hey y'all, hey, get ready with me while I show you my nighttime skincare routine. Now this is a oil cleanser that I'm using, and I'm just putting it over my face, rubbing it in really well. And once I get that in really well, I just clean it up, wipe it off with a paper towel. And then I go in with my Beauty of Joseon facial cleanser, and I do wash my face twice. When I wash my face, whether it's morning or night, dry again with a paper towel and make sure that you are doing your chest as well. Now I'm using Beauty of Joseon Red Bean Water Gel. I absolutely love that. This is the glow serum that I'm putting on. I use the glow serum night and day, and I really love the way that it has my skin looking. It's brighter, and it's definitely evening out my skin tone. And now I'm using the Beauty of Joseon moisturizer as well, and getting that rubbed in my face really good. And this is a lip mask that I got from Amazon, and just let that sit for a few minutes, remove it, and then I'm using Too Faced lip injection gloss on my lips, and this is it. Comment down below if you want to see some more.